welcome to round one of the Utah Moto Co Winter Series. They just barely finished building the track. Put in a lot of work from 7:30 a.m. this morning to build an entire track out here. Stoked to ride it. I'll show you what it looks like on a Varg, modified Sur-Ron, and a stock Sur-Ron, so that you know that it will work across all bikes. You can come out and have some fun. Doing it on the Varg first. Show you guys a lap around this. Utah Moto Co came out firing with a right-hand corner. You don't see that very often nowadays. Pretty exciting that they're doing something like that. So let's take you for a lap. Come in firing, right-hand corner into the finish line. A little speed check into the corner, seat bounce double, onto a step on, step off. At this point, you got a wide open straight. Get on it. Come hard into a corner, seat bounce into some whoops so you can blitz. Come back around. And that's a lap on the Stark Varg. Now that you've seen a lap on that beauty, we're on the modified Sur-Ron. Expect to see this bike compared to kind of the mod 110 class. Should go pretty good. This track is awesome and these bikes thrive in this environment, so let's check it out. Coming down. No problem. Now the one area that I see being kind of an issue is going to be these whoops. These bikes are not the best in them, but you should be able to double through them just fine. And get on it, come hauling around, back over the finish line. Should be exciting to see this class race. All right, you've seen a lap on both the Varg and the mod bike. Get ready to I think this class is going to be the most interesting one of them all. This class is, you got to have some cojones to try to stretch anything. They're going to add more of a lip to the finish line. I think once they do that, you'll be able to get enough of a run to do it. In the meantime, I'm not going to risk my body. So let's do this. That's full pin into the corner. Just hold her wide. You gotta have this thing wicked to stretch over this. But it makes it. It's pretty cool. It's gonna make for some really interesting racing. And I think once there's a lip on this, you'll be able to haul and actually hit that jump. Should be cool. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to do one of these GoPro track previews every race, so stay tuned for that. It's going to drop pretty much the Friday morning of racing because they have to build the track Thursday, so not a lot of time to make this happen, but we're trying to make it happen for you guys so you have an idea of what you're coming into, and hopefully it gets you excited.